Well, I wonder if one of you guys can give me a hand here. I need to flip this frame over. I think I have done all my welding up top that I need to do. And I am going to now flip it over and see if there's anything that needs to be welded on the bottom that I haven't done already. Oh, let's see what we got here. Looks like I could probably get rid of my lift blocks in the back there, and I could probably get rid of my lift blocks in the front, but I'm going to leave the ones in the front. So I can at least use the small ones here to set all these wooden blocks on my headlight brackets, shock brackets. And the backs are sitting on our rear taillight brackets. And it looks to me like maybe I need to put a bead of weld on our rear cross member. Well, I think we're all welded up now, and as far as I can tell, the next thing I need to do on my frame, let me back you out here, next thing I need to do on my frame is, when I get some good weather, it's raining out today, let's take it outside, I will pressure wash it. Oh, I can see I need to do a little welding on the bottom there. The things you don't see when you're doing it from the top. That side's okay. Yeah, I'll have to do a little welding right in there. But we've got these pieces welded across the back and down inside as well. So yeah, it's ready for a good cleanup, and then we can sandblast it. Then, after it's sandblasted, we shoot some primer on it and then start laying some coats of paint on it. Yahoo! How about them apples? And I didn't do it while I had the camera going, but I have disassembled my rear suspension, and you can see all the pieces here is my radius rods and the brake parts down there. Yep, and my axle is somewhere here. This is part of my tie across the back, and this piece here, where did I put my axle at? I have it here somewhere. Of course, I have to disassemble my front suspension too. You know, there's my axle laying there. But I've disassembled my front suspension, so all of those pieces can be finished off. The tie rods and the drag link need to be finish welded, and some things like that. So yeah, we're making some progress. I know it's been really slow and I haven't done a whole lot lately, and I can see right there I need to weld the bottom of this shock bracket, combination shock and light bracket. This one get done all the way around. Yeah, it's going on 6 o'clock. I think I'm going to take the frame off the lift, and I'm going to run that snowblower up on here and start taking that puppy all apart.